because yes, we understand the whole idea of now sustainability. Then when you now bring it into corporate sustainability, so sustainability is the endurance of systems and processes. So this is very, very key. What systems and processes do you have in place in your organization to ensure, like I mentioned earlier, that you endure over time? So the sustained ability to endure. So what systems are you then putting in place and processes are you putting in place to ensure that your organization can and will endure whatever comes? What's the difference between sustainability and CSR? So corporate CSR, corporate social responsibility, really is an aspect of sustainability. Sustainability is covering the economic aspect, you're covering the environmental aspect, like I mentioned, you're covering the environmental aspect. But CSR in most cases, especially when we come to what CSR, a lot of things cover, and CSR is corporate philanthropy. So that is when you understand that people do CSR is that, oh, we are going to this community to do XYZ. We've got this community to do XYZ. But sustainability is ensuring that your processes and your systems are ensured that have been set up in a way that you're considering all the gamut, so the economic, the social, and the environmental aspects of sustainability of your business and the environment of your business as well. But CSR is more like corporate philanthropy. That's